guys, that was the unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 6. This is not for me at all. It's actually for my mother, because her birthday is coming up in June, and we were like, I ordered it early, and then we were contemplating if we should unbox it early on. And we did. So that's why it's going up now, rather than June. Yeah, and so it's not for me. Everybody in my family has an iPhone, so they can use an Apple Watch. I can't because I use an Android phone. I use Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which I did the unboxing of earlier on in the year. Um, they're two completely different ecosystems, so it won't work. Not that I don't want to use an iPhone or an Apple Watch. I really do, but it's very expensive. Not my taste. Also, for my use, a lot of apps and stuff like that are on Android, which I cannot live without. So yeah, that's why I'm on Android at the moment. But yeah, apart from that, the next unboxing, the next thing that's coming is a MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 edition. That unboxing is coming at the end of May. I'm starting a new job and I'm basically getting that as a work laptop, brand new. So I want to do an unboxing of that. The M1 is an amazing, amazing machine. Like, I've tested the Air, I've tested the Pro, but I'm getting my own just as a laptop. So I'm gonna be unboxing that. Check it out. It's gonna be sick. Yeah. So if you did like the video, then please like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you like. But that was that. So we'll stay tuned for end of May. I'll see you guys next time.